Hi everyone! Look what we have here today. One of my favorite dishes to order at a buffet. Beef enoki rolls, also known as金菇牛肉卷. You're gonna be so surprised at how easy it is to make this dish. Let's get started. I bought these enoki mushrooms from the supermarket today. Look how fresh they are. Start by chopping off the roots. Next, give it a quick rinse and strain. To prepare the sauce, you'll need rice wine, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Mix well. Now, the beef I'll be using today are these hot pot beef rolls. You can pick them up at your local Asian supermarket. Just defrost and you're ready to go. Make sure the mushrooms are dried before rolling the beef. The mushrooms tend to shrink after cooking, so if you don't add enough mushrooms, then the rolls will look too small. On the other hand, if you add too many mushrooms, the beef might not be able to hold it together and break apart. When buying beef, choose a pack that has more fat so that it'll be more tender. As you can see here, the beef looks like it's going to fall apart, but as long as you roll it with enough pressure, it won't break apart. Now, add some cornstarch to both sides. Now, using a sieve is optional, but I find that it helps distribute the cornstarch evenly. Now, add some oil to a pan on medium-high heat. Gently place the rolls onto the pan with the opening face down. Once the bottom side has enough color, flip. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we can set it aside. Wipe off the excess oil, but do not wash the pan. That's where the good stuff is. Now pour the sauce into the pan and turn on high heat. Once the sauce is reduced, add the beef in for a few seconds until each roll is covered with sauce. Now we can plate the beef. Add the remaining sauce, a little green onions, and a little bit of sesame seeds. You know how at some restaurants the mushroom is stringy and doesn't break apart? This is the exact opposite. You have to try. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.